तो आपको बता दें, देखिए ये किस प्रकार से बच्चे आरएनए डीएनए प्रोजेक्ट और डीएनए मॉडल, और यहाँ पे सब कुछ है। हम एक एक बच्चे से मैं बातचीत करूँगा। क्या नाम है आपका?
Good morning, sir. My name is Samriddhi Gupta from class 8A.
व्हाट इज दिस?
This is my sir project RNA. RNA project. RNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. As you know, it is present in our cell in cell and nucleus and cytoplasm. Its main function is to synthesize of protein. As you know, what is the importance of protein? From building of our muscles to digesting our food, protein is very important for our development of our body. And there are three types of RNA: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. mRNA can be called as a messenger which transfer message from the DNA to ribosome, and tRNA can be called as a truck which carries the building block of protein known as amino acid to the ribosome.
He has done full research over the RNA. Very good, very good.
And rRNA can be called as the itself protein making factory. And the discovery of RNA is not only made by an individual; it is made by many of the scientists which contributed their work. And this times also there are the discovering function of the RNA. In this time they are also doing,
They
not
are doing
completed. They are
research over
doing
this.
researching over
And
this.
they want to more and more.
More and more research they have not done yet. Okay, they are.
व्हाट इज मेन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ आरएनए?
The main importance of RNA, making the synthesis of protein. Just making synthesis of protein. You know what is the importance of protein? Without protein we cannot
Protein
develop.
balance and all. It is being helpful because of only RNA.
Yes sir. This is the importance. Thank you sir.
DNA.
और कौन बोलेगा?
DNA.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Princess Misra. I study in class 6A.
व्हाट इज दिस?
This is DNA model. This is
डिटेल?
DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is discovered by Crick and Crick in 1869. In 1869, the DNA is a molecule which carries our genetic information for the development of an organism. This is in the shape of helix. It is like a ladder which is twisted. The DNA instruct our billions of cell how to do growth. So it is known as blueprint structure of DNA.
Sir, थोड़ा इसे.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Snehado. I study in class 6A. The structure of DNA. Detail is DNA is molecule which carries our genetic information for the development of an organism. This is in the shape of helix. It is like a ladder which is twisted. The DNA instruct our billions growth, so it is known as blueprint. The structure of DNA: adenine, guanine, guanine, cytosine, thymine.
तो वाह, विच ये यूज कहाँ होता है?
In short, DNA decided our skin tone, eye color, height, hair color, etc. Main functions of DNA: to store genetic information, storage; second, protein synthesis; third, cell growth, our development; fourth, inheritance; fifth, circular functions.
थैंक यू। ये आप बनाए ना? व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Niyati Gupta. I study in class 6th. This
What
is
is this?
DNA. This is DNA.
व्हाट फुल इंफॉर्मेशन?
DNA is a molecule that stores genetic information in all living organisms. This structure is double helix made up of nucleotides, each containing sugar deoxyribose made up of nucleotides. The discoverer of DNA is James Watson and Francis Crick, credited in 1856.
क्या हिंदी में भी कुछ बता सकती हो? हिंदी में इसके विषय में कुछ बता सकती हैं?
डीएनए जो है कि मॉलिक्यूल्स कर को स्टोर रखता है, और
स्टोर मीन्स क्या होता है?
स्टोर मीन्स इकट्ठा करता है.
अच्छा, मतलब सबको इकट्ठा करता है। मेन यूज क्या है इसका?
It is used in forensic lab to solve crimes and medicine.
थैंक यू। इसमें कौन बनाया ये मेन? दो लोग।
Good morning, sir. My name is Arjad. I'm from class 9th. We are making to a nuclear power plant. Sir, a nuclear power plant harnesses the immense energy released during nuclear fission to generate electricity, utilizing a control chain reaction within a core reactor to heat water, a turbine to produce power. Sir, this is a containment building. The containment building is final barrier to pressurizer. It house the generate to cool.
स्टार्ट कर दिया,
सर बैटरी तो खत्म हो गई.
बैटरी डाउन कर दिए जी।
Sir, it have a two-type nuclear power plant is control and uncontrol. Uncontrol mean it is impossible to control. And like example in Nagasaki 1906 attacked by nuclear bomb. And in nuclear bomb, if we are taking an example of if there is 1,000 baby born, one is affected by it. Or mentally or physically, it is not going in cell, it is going in DNA, and it is attack DNA also, which is attacked by generation to generation, and we are making to control, it is controlled by anybody. And when it is a sport, there is three thing are open: neutron first, neutron second, neutron third, and after this neutron first is also three neutron first, neutron second. It is process going to when it is process going on, we are control it with a buran. After this is, thank you so much listening my word. After this is telling to you.
What is your name?
Good. My name is Trisa Yadav. I am stick class 9th. Cooling. A cooling system remove heat from the reactor cone and waste. Consumer arise from the statement of radioactive waste. Thank you.
What is your name?
Sir, my name is Omni Shukla.
Which
Sir?
performance?
Sir, this is a kidney. Sir, I make a kidney.
What is this use?
Sir, sir, healthy kidney is filter about healthy kidney is filter about up of half blood every minute. Removed
Removing and extra water to make urine.
Thank you. What is
So
your
this
name?
is my name is Kashish Upadhyay. I study in class 9th. My project name is rainwater harvesting. This is working when rain is working and in a filtration on a the sand dunes and rules of a condense of the fertile in a irrigation in a sand dunes of the any plant provide in a sand.
What is mean use rainwater harvesting?
Sir, this collect in a water and filtration in a supply on a sand dunes and stone any one things and filtration on a fertile in our sand dunes.
Any plants.
Thank you.